Okay na. Technology versus brain rot. How technology affects student and daily life. Technology is part of our daily life. Students use gadgets every day. Technology has good and bad effects. Nowadays, technology is very common, especially for students. We use phones and gadgets for schoolworks, communication, and entertainment. Technology help us in many ways, but too much use of it can also affect our focus and behavior. What is brain rot? Too much scrolling on social media, short attention span, easily distracted. Brain rot is a term used when people spend too much time online, especially watching short videos or scrolling for many hours. Because of this, some people find it hard to focus on important things. Benefits of technology: easy to search information, online communication, helpful in education. Technology helps students learn faster because information can easily be searched online. It also helps people communicate with classmates, teachers, friends, and family. Negative effects of technology: lack of focus, sleep problems, too much screen time. Even though technology is useful, too much screen time can also be unhealthy. Some people sleep late because of gadgets, while others spend too much time online instead of doing important tasks. Technology in the future. Technology is important in many jobs. Responsible use is important. Critical thinking is needed. In the future, technology will continue to help people in different careers and industries. That is why people should learn how to use technology responsibly and not depend on it too much. Things to remember: technology can help us. Too much screen time is unhealthy. Balance is important. To conclude, technology can help people in many ways, especially in communication and education. However, too much use of technology may also affect our habits and attention. That is why balance and responsible use are important. Thank you for everything.